Thanks, Saurav. Hi, good evening, everybody. I hope I'm audible. Welcome all, and yes, I am on a tight spot between us and an after party and after party. But yeah, I'll make my best to make this a amazing session. So to start with, yeah, I am Nitin Bhargava. I am Chief Data and Analytics Officer. Last 6 to 7 years into digital banking. Proud to be part of Mox and Trust, the two flagship Standard Chartered digital banks. So let's straight away jump into it. When we were thinking and launching and preparing for the launch, the question in our market was, or what we heard, does Singapore need another bank? So last count I have was there are 132 banks. There's already a overcrowded market. Do Singapore really need a bank, a digital bank? And guess what? Here we are. Exactly, no, exact 1 year and 1 month. We just concluded our anniversary month. We launched September last year. We had done our 10,000, 100,000 customers 10 days, 200,000 customers 30 days, and a year we closed 500,000. So we are world's fastest growing digital bank, and super proud to say that with our trust team also here with me in our room. So what helped us achieve that? Let's just deep dive. What makes us different? Why these numbers? And we had a amazing panel discussion, and we talk customer centricity, simplicity. I think the key pillars to start with, a big thanks to our partners. As all of you know, Standard Chartered Trust is a unique partnership between Standard Chartered and NTUC Enterprise. So what this partnership and Standard Chartered brings us together, if I may put down as a key pillars, ecosystem benefits. So people are familiar with fair price. They are earning link points. Now this is the fastest way to earn the points. If you are an NTUC customer, 15 to 21% is the potential of a cashback or a reward mileage which you get through Trust. So 21% for union and 15 for non-union. Most important thing, transparency, which again, through all our ethnographic research, market research, things which comes out, it is we need to be transparent and innovation. So that goes hand in hand. And thanks, Saurabh, for the quick poll. People who are using Trust would have noticed that there is no hidden feature, there is no hidden fees. We track your rewards. We ask you to do more so you get more rewards. And there are simple trackers on tick boxes, on your monthly, quarterly, and annual rewards for the customers who are with us for 1 year. And last but not the least, being a digital bank, we can't live without digitization. So we digitize loyalty. And again, that comes into many forms. So like we know, Singapore and Singaporeans love deals. So we get best of deals. But in addition to that, we digitize it, which means if you do it more with us, you get more out of it. And it's not that you have to keep a tracker or Excel behind it. It's all on the app. So you do 4 transactions, 5th one is on us. You like coffee, do 4, 5th one is on us. So digitization, instant reward is a big one, which customer liked it, and that's what delivered what we are here. Obviously, we can't be successful in being a digital bank. We are cloud native bank. Our AWS partners are in a room as well. So this is all possible thanks to the cutting edge technology and the efforts which had gone behind it. So cloud native bank, containerized, data mesh architecture, event driven architecture. So all buzzwords which we had heard, but it's like implemented in real time to make this magic happen. And just talking of few big numbers, and very proud again to share this with a wider audience. Highly automated bank, 90% of our applications are straight through. In terms of speed, in fact, I have a personal example to share. I have a friend, and maybe he'll be in a room as well, and I had shared my referral ID. And this guy was standing in a queue to take a coffee. And he messaged me that by the time his number came, he was able to pay through Trust card. So while in the queue, his application got approved, he got a digital card, he provisioned it, and he paid it. And so less than 3 minutes or approximately 3 minutes is our average time. as compared to any other digital bank. If we compare globally, it's like the lowest. Coming to our partners, and yes, on this munch, I have to say about MoEngage. So just talking about most of the uh, people here are MoEngage users, but yes, what it brings us is bit of central view of the customer, unified reporting. They have AI engine which runs on predictions, and that gives us capability to run these prediction engines quite easily and across multiple data points. And yeah, that helps us with the higher engagement and driving the right profitability for the customer. Though most of you know the MoEngage architecture, but just to put at very high level and how it's helping us. So given the transactional data attributes going to the MoEngage, we have a single customer view, and then using the analyze and engage, the two key pillars for MoEngage. So analytical capabilities help us to automate most of the campaigns, given RFM is out of the box, given prediction capabilities are out of the box, segmentations are out of the box. So it's pretty easy to have those segments ready, to have those target groups ready. And as somebody was mentioning earlier, you just don't stop there, you execute it. A/B testing, test and control are all inbuilt features which are heavily used in our campaign journey. And then on the delivery side, we primarily use them for push and EDMs. In-app features is still under test. But in terms of the channel preference, best time to set, put up the limits, all those are the engage features which are pretty helpful for trust journey. So that helps us into a strengthening customer engagement and timely, relevant, contextual message deliveries. So just to touch upon few examples and to demonstrate the effect of same. So if you look at a customer life cycle, we mainly talk about acquisition, activation, usage, retentions, and it's all there. So just bringing a few of the screenshots of live examples, and which if you are our customer, you may have received few of those. So starting with acquisition, and member get member is our most effective program. Our 70% of acquisition is through word of mouth and is through referral programs. So we also know that and we reward that. And it's our anniversary month, so we are double the rewards. From 10, it's gone to 20. And then in terms of the product usage, again, there are offers to start using your card with trust. Talking about activation, so we have a pretty good activation rates, but still if you forgot and you have many things to do, we are here through MoEngage. We will remind you and we will reward you for your activation and usage of our offers. Then we have an amazing partnership team that keep getting us best in class in Singapore market. And then with the data science and understanding our customer segments, we are able to demarcate that. And mostly we are moving to segment of one. So that's where we are at as well. And if you are a foodie or a traveler or what's your passion, based on that, you will get the right offers from trust. And last but not the least, portfolio and usage campaigns. Again, pretty much part of bank profitability, as well as to keep the customer engaged, you need to have the right offers for them. So whether it's so today we offer with cards, deposits, loans, insurance. So relevant to the product usage or the journey, what stage you are at, we use again MoEngage as our delivery channel through that. So what have we achieved with all of this? So here are some big numbers. Starting with the MGM or the rewards, what I was saying. So very successful campaign. Our reward cost, our acquisition cost is $45, which is like almost 7 times less than any other acquisition market. And this continues to be a pretty good channel for our acquisition. In terms of customer engagement and advocacy, 85% activation rates. Activity again is good, but second, you have to look at quality of activity. So when we look at our data, on an average, there are 17 card transactions in a month per customer, which is like almost every second day our card is out, either online or offline. 4.8 on our App Store rating. And in terms of the coupons usage, and going back to the point on digital loyalty, personalization, and right offers, 2.2 million coupons have been redeemed till now, and pretty much evident, but obviously when we look at the data as well, people who are using the coupons, 2.3 times higher engagement rate than the non-coupon users. So that's bit on customer stats and few of the highlight numbers. And last but not the least, being a bank, we have to talk big numbers. So onto our book growth. Since launch, or year and a month, we have 1.6 billion spends onto the cards. And in terms of the deposit book, we had crossed 1.2 billion in a short span of a year. So pretty impressive. And thank you, Moengage, for your partnership. I'll just stand with Bat, anything for the audio? Thank you.